Hey guys, today I have a surprise for you. So here my mother has brought a big white writing board for me. So because that one is not enough. So now I will teach you on it. So let's unbox it. Here is bubble wrap for playing. So it's too hard to open and the sheet is flying in air. So now I am opening it with too many attempts. Now I have unpacked it. Now the sheet is out and now we have to get side. Now it's my new board. So at the next video I will teach you on it, and the next video is a surprise. What is the topic of next video? Guess it.